Good morning, we are at sunrise here at not so sunny Waterloo. It's about a week before Christmas, so it's a cold December morning. Actually it's quite mild, but it has been raining, so the roads are looking pretty slippery this morning. That could make the ride really interesting. I'm going to head from Waterloo to Barbican in real time, and you can ride along with me. Here is my ride this morning. It's the 63283 electric bike. It's got fully charged. If I give it a kick, we're fully charged. Nice wet seat, so I'll be drying that as I go. And hopefully, I've not done this since August, so hopefully we can do this without incidents. Undock the bike. That's a good start. I've got a new mount for my DJI Nano. Yeah, it's funny being on the Santander bikes at this time of year, because it was the 12th of December 15 years ago that I managed to have a terrible crash on one of these. So terrible that I have no idea what happened. It's blanked from my brain. All I know is I woke up looking at a hospital ceiling. So I think somewhere in my brain I've got an urge to be very careful. And we've got some wet ironwork on the road as well, so I'm going to be careful on those. So this could be quite a sedate ride. Now I've got a choice. I can either go down to upper ground, which is safer but longer, or I could fight it down Stamford Street. I think I'm going to go down upper ground because it's nice and secluded. Here we go. We've finished the building work here now as well, which is cool. Couldn't ride down here before. Down to Concert Hall approach and turn right onto upper ground. Just check for traffic. Right. Yeah, so this has seen a lot of building work recently, but that seems to have shut down for Christmas, which is nice. If I were in a rush, I'd have gone over the dreaded Waterloo roundabout, round the IMAX and down Stamford Street, which is much quicker. I do that when I've got a tight time pressure, but I've left lots of time for this morning, so that's good. Just past the National Theatre. Whoa. And this is, I think, my first bike ride on using the DJI Nano Camera. So I might put this on my camera channel, or my YouTube channel about YouTube, or I might put this out on both the travel channel and my and my how to make YouTube videos channel. So if you're watching on the Neil Mossey channel, hello. This is what the DJI Nano looks like. And sad sight on the left-hand side. I won't move the camera. They've demolished LWT. I've got a car behind me. I want to let him go. These wet tiles are not fun to ride on. my God, I've got big puddles as well. So it's good that it's not raining, but everything is a bit slippery. Whoa. Got some love holes on the roads. And you can go. Now this is a weird cycle path because it looks like you're going the wrong way, but it's actually marked out on the road. So I'm riding into head-on traffic on a one-way street. So we'll go around the BMW here. But the cycle lane is really faded, so that's not good for the cars. So we'll turn left. This is where the thanks. This is where the cycle lane meets the pavement. We've got a nice join here, level join onto the cycle lane. Let's see if I can lift the camera off, give you a better view. Also check it's still recording. Yeah, we're recording. So we're going over the River Thames. Got St Paul's and Blackfriars over there. City of London lit up. All the city workers there already. Trying to make that wealth divide bigger. Keep reaching for the skies, boys. Okay, back to yeah. Now I'm going to stop here. I take umbrage as there's no one to hear me saying this at the moment, but it really annoys me watching bikes go through this light because there are pedestrians and it's pedestrian crossing. Let's see how many go through. There's number one, Forest Bike. There's another one. It annoys me because when I had the accident, we didn't have any of this infrastructure at all. And now we've got it. People just ignore it. It's a shame. Okay, on to, I think this is called New Bridge Street. Got slippery ironwork here, so I've got to pull out, but I've got people overtaking me. Whoa. Coming up to Ludgate Circus and Farringdon. I can never remember if it's Farringdon Street or Farringdon Road. I think it's Farringdon Road. See if we can make the green light. Okay. I'll give you a view of Ludgate Circus and Fleet Street. I don't understand. Oh, I'll tell you in a minute.
Assumes I'm not here.
Yeah, what I was going to say was I was going too fast to stop for that poor guy on the zebra crossing. Well, I don't understand the mentality of going through the red lights when pedestrians are crossing. That's really not good. But I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to get to my destination safely. Oh, by the way, I'm using the DJI Mic Mini this morning. Again, first time on a bike, so it'll be interesting to see if you can hear any of this. I've got it really quite close to my mouth on my shirt, but I've got to do a right turn here. There are people overtaking. Thanks. Ooh, fuck. There's the London Museum being built and the old Smithfield Market. I keep hearing different titles for it. It's Museum of London, Museum for London, and over there it's called the London Museum. London Museum would be a lot more sense. So we're going to go through Smithfield and weave our way through to get to the Barbican, Aldersgate Street. Can't believe I'm here before sunset. I suppose these are the shortest days at the moment. We've got 3 more days of this. Yeah, I guess you couldn't wait. It's not just because I'm wearing a camera that I'm riding carefully, it is because of my pretty bad accident. I wonder if I can show you. You've got Open Viaducts on the right there. We just went under that. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at this, free parking. What's that about? Oh wow, okay, so there's free parking for Smithfield customers, trying to help Smithfield out while they're demolishing it. Wow.
Slow down.
Check both ways. Wow. So usually when I come in, it's not nearly this busy, but they're still loading up meat. And this is Christmas meat. This is they're stitching it, mate. This is the most important meat of the year coming through. This is confusing. I'll stop line here. Look at the lights over there. pull to the left, let him pass. Okay. That's sensible. And then the final street. So we've gone around Smithfield into, can't see the road name. Oh, here we go, Charterhouse Street. So what do you think of the camera footage? Is it coping with the dark lighting conditions? It's not light, but the sun's not up yet. Be interesting to watch this back and see the footage. Oh, I'll let him go. Yeah, always good with a fan driving head on. There we go. Now I'm going to cross over. I love this docking station. Give him a nod. I love this docking station. It's always got a bike free. It's one of the most underrated Boris Bike docking stations in London, I think. So I'm just going to cross over. Probably going to walk across now. There we go. There we go, we're docked. Let's take the camera off. It looks like we're still rolling. So thank you for coming on this ride with me. That was a nice, short, uneventful one, always good. And this is weird, I only came up with the idea of having running this on 2 channels while I was riding. So if you're watching this on my Neil Mossey channel, these are the transport videos that I have over on my other channel, Neil's Travel, Trains and Stops. And if you're watching on the Travel channel, this is where I try out new cameras. But if you've reached this point in the video, thank you for hitting the thumbs up. Ooh, hit the microphone, or the subscribe button. I'm going to get a coffee over here now. And right here on screen is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. Oh, made it.